Hello everyone, I'm going to be going over homework number 9, it's number 14. In a simple random sample of size 88, there were 22 individuals in a category of interest. It is desired to test the null hypotheses, p is equal to 0.31, and the alternative hypotheses, p is less than 0.31. Compute the test statistic, or otherwise known as z. So, let's go over to the whiteboard. So as number 14 states, we're finding z, and I want you to notice that we're dealing with p. So when we're dealing with a p, we're going to be using this formula. Z is equal to p hat minus p divided by the square root of p times q divided by n. So let's write down what we know. We know that n is equal to 88, our x is equal to 22, our null hypotheses and alternative hypotheses state that p is equal to 0.31 and p is less than 0.31. And what we want to know is p hat and q. So let's solve for those two. So to find p hat, we're going to be using this formula. P hat is equal to x over n. Now, we already stated that our n is equal to 88 and our x is equal to 22. So we're going to put those two guys in their respective places, and it's going to look something like this. 22 divided by 88. And with that done, we're going to get a 0.25, which is going to be our p hat. Now let's move on to finding q. Now to find q, we're going to be using this formula. Q equals 1 minus p. Now remember that it states p and not p hat. So we're going to be using the null hypotheses. P equals 0.31. So we're using this one. And we're going to plug that in. We're going to get 1 minus 0.31. And that's going to give us a q equals 0.69. With that, we've got everything we need. Now we're going to do the last step, find z with this big old formula. And what we know already is that our n equals 88, null hypotheses, p equals 0.31, p hat is equals 0.25, and q is equal to 0.69. So we're going to put all these numbers in their respective places in there, and it's going to look something like this. 0.25 minus 0.31 divided by the square root of 0.31 times 0.69 divided by 8. So with that done, I'm going to do this top part and this middle part right here on one little step, and it's going to look something like this. Negative 0.06 divided by the square root of 0.2139 divided by 88. With that done, let's finish it off. We're going to do this whole one thing in one single step, and we're going to get a number of z is equal to negative 1.2169. And once the numbers behind it represented by dots, so I believe in the homework, we have a whole number in 2 decimal places. So we're going to do that to our answer. We're going to round it. And we're going to get z equals negative 1.22. And that is A, our answer. And here's the work all done in one single picture. Have a good day.